If your computer shows boot device not found, Windows may not be damaged. First, check whether the computer can still detect the hard disk or SSD. Restart the computer and enter BIOS or UEFI setup. Check that the Windows hard disk or SSD is listed. Then check the boot order and make sure the Windows disk is selected as the first boot device. Also check whether the system should boot in UEFI mode or legacy/CSM mode. If the disk is detected in BIOS, but Windows still cannot boot, then boot the computer from a Lazesoft Recovery Suite Home Edition USB disk. On the Lazesoft main screen, select Windows Recovery. Select the Windows installation you want to repair. Choose One-Click Fix Crash Solution, then click One-Click Fix. Lazesoft will automatically check and repair common boot problems, including the MBR, boot sector, BCD file, missing boot files, and registry boot settings. After the repair is complete, remove the USB disk and restart the computer. Windows should boot normally again.